Are you ready to take your creativity to the next level? Whether you're a hobbyist, an entrepreneur, or a professional designer, having the right 3D printer can make all the difference. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description below which are updated for the best prices. Number 5. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. At number 5, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini offers a lot more than you might expect from an entry-level 3D printer. It combines a compact size with a user-friendly design that's perfect for beginners, but powerful enough for experienced makers. This printer brings reliable performance at a surprisingly affordable price, making it a top contender for those new to 3D printing but still looking for quality results. So, what makes the Bambu Lab A1 Mini stand out? First off, it has a fast print speed, one of the fastest in its class, allowing you to complete prints in a fraction of the time compared to older models. The auto bed leveling feature ensures that you can get started quickly without the frustration of manual adjustments. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of filaments, so you can experiment with different materials as you grow your skills. One of the highlights of the A1 Mini is its precise and consistent printing. Whether you're printing something simple or more intricate designs, this printer delivers high-quality results with minimal hassle, and with its quiet operation, it won't be disturbing your workspace, making it an ideal choice if you're printing at home or in a shared office. Overall, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini strikes an ideal balance between performance and price. It's perfect for someone just starting out in 3D printing but doesn't want to sacrifice print quality. For just under $300, you're getting a reliable and versatile machine that can handle your projects with ease. If you're looking for an affordable 3D printer that doesn't skimp on quality, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini is definitely worth considering. It offers a great entry point into the world of 3D printing while still leaving room to grow. Number 4. Anycubic Photon Mono 4. The Anycubic Photon Mono 4 is an impressive resin printer that brings professional-level printing to the home or small office. This printer is designed to provide highly detailed prints with ease, thanks to its advanced features and ease of use. It's a great choice if you're looking to step up your printing game with a machine that excels at both speed and accuracy. So, what makes the Photon Mono 4 a top pick? For starters, it comes with a 4K monochrome screen, which enhances the printing quality by offering sharper details and faster curing times. This means you can achieve stunning prints with even the finest details without sacrificing time. The print speed is impressive as well, with the ability to produce high-quality prints in a fraction of the time compared to traditional resin printers. Another key feature is the easy setup. The Photon Mono 4 comes with a large build volume, making it a great option for larger models or multiple prints at once. Plus, the sturdy metal frame ensures stability and long-term durability. When it comes to performance, the Anycubic Photon Mono 4 delivers exceptional results across the board. Whether you're printing miniatures, figurines, or engineering prototypes, this printer offers excellent detail resolution. The monochrome screen ensures that prints are consistent and smooth, reducing the need for constant recalibration or adjustments. With a price tag that's well under $300, the Photon Mono 4 punches well above its weight in terms of quality and features. It's an excellent choice for hobbyists, educators, or anyone looking to explore the world of resin printing without breaking the bank. The combination of speed, precision, and ease of use makes it one of the best options in the resin printing category for 2025. If you're looking for a resin 3D printer that doesn't compromise on quality or features, the Anycubic Photon Mono 4 is definitely worth considering. Whether you're printing for fun or for more professional purposes, this machine will deliver detailed and reliable results every time. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v3. If you've been following the 3D printing community for a while, you've probably heard of Creality, a brand known for delivering reliable and high-quality machines. The Creality Ender 3v3 continues that tradition, bringing excellent performance to users at an unbeatable value. The Creality Ender 3v3 is an upgraded version of one of the most popular 3D printers of all time, the Ender 3. It's a FDM-fused deposition modeling printer that stands out thanks to its reliable print quality, easy setup, and affordable price. Creality has improved upon the original with key upgrades, making the Ender 3v3 one of the best options for both newcomers and experienced users looking to get great results without breaking the bank. So, what's new with the Ender 3v3? First, it comes with an improved direct drive extruder, which offers better filament compatibility and more consistent extrusion for smoother prints. The auto bed leveling feature has been improved as well, making the setup process easier and ensuring better first first layer adhesion, one of the most common issues with 3D printing. It also includes a bigger print volume, which is perfect for larger models or multiple smaller objects at once. Plus, Creality has upgraded the mainboard for quieter operation, so you can print for hours without the noise becoming a distraction. When it comes to performance, the Creality Ender 3v3 delivers excellent results. It's known for its precision and consistency, meaning your prints will come out with great detail and smooth finishes. Whether you're printing cosplay props, functional prototypes, or just some fun personal projects, the Ender 3v3 handles it all with ease. The Ender 3v3 is an outstanding choice for anyone who values ease of use, reliability, and affordability. At around $300, it offers one of the best price-to-performance ratios in the market. It's a great pick for those just starting with 3D printing or for anyone looking to upgrade their setup without spending a fortune. If you're looking for a high-quality 3D printer that won't break the bank, the Creality Ender 3v3 is definitely worth considering. It's one of the most reliable and well-rounded machines on the market, and it's perfect for anyone who wants to dive into the world of 3D printing or upgrade their existing setup. Number 2. Original Prusa MK4 3D Printer. The original Prusa MK4 is the latest iteration from the renowned Prusa brand, known for pushing the boundaries of 3D printing technology. This FDM printer offers a perfect balance of high-end features, reliable performance, and user-friendly design. Whether you're a seasoned pro or an ambitious hobbyist, the MK4 brings a level of precision and ease of use that's hard to beat. So, what sets the original Prusa MK4 apart? First off, it comes equipped with automatic bed leveling, which ensures your prints start off on the right foot every time. The Super Pinda probe is an upgraded sensor that guarantees the most precise leveling you can get, taking the guesswork out of the equation. It also features a more powerful heated bed, which not only speeds up the heating process, but ensures better adhesion for prints of all sizes. For those looking for high-quality, detailed prints, the MK4 delivers with increased accuracy and an improved extruder design that supports a wider range of materials, including flexible filaments. When it comes to performance, the original Prusa MK4 stands in a class of its own. The combination of precision and speed is outstanding. Prints come out with sharp details, smooth finishes, and incredible accuracy. Whether you're working on complex prototypes, detailed models, or even large-scale prints, this machine can handle it all without breaking a sweat. While it's certainly more of an investment compared to some of the others on our list, the original Prusa MK4 is well worth the price for serious makers, professionals, or anyone looking to get the most out of their 3D printing experience. Its build quality, advanced features, and exceptional print results make it an excellent choice for those who demand nothing but the best. If you want a top-tier 3D printer that offers unmatched precision, reliability, and ease of use, the original Prusa MK4 is hard to beat. It's an investment that will pay off in the long run, whether you're a professional looking for the best performance or a hobbyist looking to step up your game. Number 1. Creality K1 Max. The Creality K1 Max is a powerhouse, offering cutting-edge technology and top-tier features that set it apart from anything else on the market. As the latest model from Creality, it brings a whole new level of speed, precision, and ease of use to the table, making it a standout for professionals and serious hobbyists alike. So, what makes the Creality K1 Max the best 3D printer of 2025? For starters, it comes with an incredible print speed. We're talking high-speed printing that can complete projects in record time without sacrificing quality. This is thanks to Creality's innovative Core XY system that offers faster movements and more accurate prints. The K1 Max is also packed with a massive build volume, making it perfect for large-scale projects or printing multiple smaller objects simultaneously. It features auto bed leveling, ensuring a perfect first layer every time, and its dual Z-axis design helps maintain stability during larger prints. Another standout feature is the high-quality touchscreen interface, which makes it easier than ever to control your prints with a user-friendly experience. Plus, the advanced filament compatibility allows you to work with a variety of materials, including PLA, PETG, ABS, and even flexible filaments, opening up endless creative possibilities. When it comes to performance, the Creality K1 Max is a true workhorse. The combination of its Core XY system, large print volume, and exceptional print resolution makes it ideal for those looking to produce detailed models or tackle big projects without worrying about print quality. Whether Whether you're printing prototypes, cosplay props, or functional parts, the K1 Max delivers consistent, professional-grade results. While the Creality K1 Max does come at a higher price point, it is more than worth the investment for those who want to take their 3D printing to the next level. With its impressive speed, precision, and large build volume, it's the ultimate machine for serious creators who demand the best. If you're looking for the best 3D printer of 2025, the Creality K1 Max is the clear winner. It combines state-of-the-art technology, outstanding performance, and unmatched versatility in one amazing package. Whether you're a professional maker or a passionate hobbyist, the K1 Max will elevate your 3D printing experience to new heights. That wraps up our countdown of the best 3D printers in 2025. Let us know in the comments if you agree with our #1 pick, or if you think another printer deserves the top spot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews and updates. Thanks for watching!